Welcome back to BA Performance, everyone. Today I want to talk to you guys about EGR, exhaust gas recirculator, and air injection on 22RE and 22R motors. Today we have a 22R sitting right here, carbureted, and we have a 22RE right here. First thing we'll talk about is air injection. A lot of people usually think that these pipes here on the outside are EGR, but actually these pipes here are air injection. Air injection, what that does is, if your vehicle has a catalytic converter like this one does, so that will feed in fresh air from your intake system out of this this cylinder right here that's hooked to your intake. This would have an air hat on it, and there would be clean air coming from your intake there, and then it's controlled by vacuum hoses and like a baffled valve right here. And the reason you need fresh air into your exhaust is because there's not much oxygen left to mix with the unburnt fuel to burn up in your catalytic converter. So you need fresh air to burn off and lower your emissions out the tailpipe there. As far as like affecting your power, that doesn't affect the power or anything at all like that. To delete this system, you would uninstall all that, plug up the vacuum hoses that come off of there, and then there's block off plates that you can unbolt this and put block off plates on there. But you don't gain or lose anything besides having unburnt fuel coming out your tailpipe basically. That is air injection. Now EGR, exhaust gas recirculator, what that does is it actually pulls exhaust gas into a channel in the block down here, and it goes through the back here, and then this has a coolant chamber behind it to cool off the exhaust air so that you're not sucking hot air back into your engine. So it goes through there, back into the head here, and then out here, and then from there it goes back through this pipe into your intake. Similarly, on the 22RE, it will go through the back of the engine and into your intake there. Oh, Karen, what are you doing in here? I'm gonna ask you to move there, honey. So the EGR, exhaust gas recirculatory valve, is here on the 22RE, and then that exhaust gas goes in the back here and all the way to the front here, and then feeds exhaust gas back into your engine, which also reduces emissions, but it'll actually help you with fuel mileage because it reduces the vacuum when you let off the gas and say you're engine braking. So instead of the piston pulling down against vacuum, you have the gases coming in and filling that space, so there's less drag on the engine and you will like coast farther. So if you are going to delete it, there is a block of plate. It's like 15 bucks on eBay, and you put it on the back of the intake where this mounts up, and then you put it on the head where this mounts up. Pretty simple. And then you can delete all of these vacuum lines and systems here by just capping off all the lines. And basically all you gain from that is it makes your engine bay look a little cleaner. Thanks for watching, guys. That's pretty much everything you need to know on air injection and EGR on these 22REs. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends, and peace out.
Broadcast performance is what it stands for.